Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy is everyone's favorite RC dog, Popeye. And we are the RC Sailors. We thought this would just be kind of a good chance to sit down and have some fun because we're always like showing a bunch of products and stuff. This is stuff that most of you guys should already know about. But recently we had a friend stop by, Peter, and he brought with him to visit with us and fly around and stuff the little Blade Inductrix FPV.
Yeah, Peter is one of our patrons, and he's just been so awesome and so supportive, and he's just become a really great friend to us.
Yeah.
And he decided that he wanted to give this to us. He said we didn't have to show it on the channel, but we've enjoyed having it, so we thought, let's put it on the channel.
I think he was going to get the altitude hold version, and we should have a little bit of fun with this. So we had a few extra batteries with it, got them charged up, and you know, we got the transmitter. This is the ready to fly version, even the little monitor, and Abby has some new goggles that she's going to test out. You guys are going to love this.
Boom!
Boom! Those are the Fat Shark.
They're Attitude V4.
So Abby, forever, has been flying with, what are they called? They were the Hobby King.
Diversity.
It was like a custom set kind of thing.
They were pink.
Pink big box.
And these are not the first Fat Sharks that have ever been on the channel. Back way long ago, we had some of the very first Fat Sharks ever on the channel.
But I didn't like them very much. They didn't work well for me because I didn't have those diopter lenses or whatever that are prescription so I can see it. So forever I've been flying with these and I love them, my Quantum Cyclops goggles. There's a version 2 out now, but yeah, these work and I'm not going to replace them until they're. But Abby has been, I always feel bad because she's got the big box on and she doesn't need it because she doesn't have glasses. So we got her the good goggles and we're just going to have some fun. She's going to fly FPV first. I'll use my little monitor here.
This is our first time using these too.
Yes, we paired them up to make sure they would work, but
haven't flown with them.
Haven't flown. So I'm going to let you choose. Would you like the stock battery or the aftermarket battery?
Stock.
Stock battery. Okay. All right, we'll get you paired up here.
If you have never heard of any of this stuff before, we're going to have everything that you see here linked down in the description box below, so you can go check it out. The
Blade Inductrix FPV, I know it's been out for a while, but everybody rants and raves about it. They love it. They say it's one of the best little micro drones. There's probably better stuff out now, but we don't have a lot of little indoor micro FPV stuff. So this should just be fun. We're just here to have a little fun today. Maybe we can see who can fly the farthest with FPV. All right. And we turn this guy on. You know what? I think this one is actually the...
Take the lens cap off.
This one's the transmitter on first.
Take the lens cap off.
There we go. We got power. We got power.
Monitor.
There we go. I got you. Yeah. So this way I can watch. You know, I could use my goggles too, but now I can watch line of sight, and I can watch FPV while you fly. Yeah. And then if you crash, I know I can help you recover the drone. So, all right, he might bark for a second, but just get a feel for it and see what you think. Right into his mouth. Oh my goodness. All right.
Sorry, Popeye. Okay. Sorry, this is FPV. It's a little different. All right.
There's the camera. Nice. Look at you go. So far, you're doing okay. Okay, you're doing all right. Nice. Oh, the vent. There's Pops. You are doing good. Jump the hallway. Oh. Up. Oh no, where are you going? The laundry. Oh my goodness.
Thank goodness. We're like the front guard.
Yeah. This is good.
It's bouncing all over.
I got just a great view here. This is awesome. I'm going to try to fly upstairs. I don't know about you. Okay. Look at you go, Abby. How do you like those Fat Sharks?
I like them a lot. They're not as heavy on my face. Like, a lot of people would complain.
Wow, look at you go.
I put my head down, but the box goggles were so heavy on my face.
This is amazing.
Like your whole nose was
I can't even hear the motors and props hardly anymore. No. This is so cool. You're doing so good.
Look at those lights in there are off.
What do you mean the lights?
In the dining room and the kitchen. My battery, I'm flashing. I think I have a low battery.
Probably. Try to get it back. Try to come back if you can.
Hurry.
Well, you're okay if you don't. It's okay. No rush.
Oh,
don't rush. Don't rush. Oh, there it is. I heard you now. Oh, no.
Oh,
good crash. Good crash. I got you. And there's Popeye.
Popeye. He's got it.
Ow. Okay, buddy. I got it. Oh, good job.
Turn me over, Popeye.
Here, I'll let you take off from the couch there. Oh, right on you. I got it.
That's scary. So there's low battery, right? We're done?
Yeah, if you want to.
Wait, is it not a low battery?
I mean, it's
anymore?
blinking, so it's low.
Okay.
You can go a little more if you want. That's fine.
Oh
There's
gosh.
Popeye.
He's scary.
Yeah.
Why is he so scary?
I'm intimidated now. You did so good. Oh, he almost got it.
I'm all the way.
I know you guys couldn't see that, but Popeye was right there. Oh,
There's
struggling.
the little guy.
Struggling.
Popeye, where are you?
He's right under you. Oh.
No.
Oh, keep going. Go. Oh no, there's Popeye. Better not. Oh, he's licking it. I know.
He's looking at the camera.
Okay, buddy.
He's
Did you see that tongue?
Yeah, I did.
Good job.
Okay,
Good job,
I think
Popeye.
he's so
job.
good.
My turn? Is it my turn?
Yeah, I think we need
Nice.
to change battery and you fly now.
Okay, cool.
And so I need to stop recording.
Okay,
Okay.
all right.
And
Now,
then I'll restart for you.
Sure. Okay, let me just turn this off. And then you can watch with this, which is what's
Yeah.
fun.
Or I could just wear my goggles.
If you want, but then,
I
you know,
will.
you can, like, if you need to take them off to,
I'll help you.
yeah,
Okay.
you know, this is really good. This had crystal clear signal
This
the
was
whole time.
too.
This was awesome.
It is impressive. I wonder how your goggles are going to compare.
Pretty happy with that. I mean, I don't know because I didn't wear your Fat Sharks, but we'll see if I can get upstairs.
Well, mine was like crystal clear too.
Okay.
And that should reflect on the recorded footage because this is going to be the DVR footage, not HD quality.
Right.
Right.
Okay, so transmitter on.
Popeye, what do you think? Did he chase it upstairs?
I don't know. Oops, there, we have power. I didn't need to bind, I guess.
That's
I
how it
thought I
was
was-
for me too.
Okay, let me get my goggles here.
All right, I see a Popeye.
I'm so glad you like your Fat Sharks. Okay, I got a nice clear signal. And will you film for me?
Filming.
So Abby's, we're actually saving two Abby's because mine doesn't have a DVR. So let's see if I can get
Do these
upstairs and
Spectrums
stuff.
have a DVR?
I don't know. But
What's that?
we're recording on yours, so we're good.
Cool.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright, here we go. There's Popeye. I got a little static pop. Was that there on yours too?
Maybe a little
Like,
bit.
okay, little flickers. There's everyone. There's the camera. That's me. Oh, Popeye!
Oh, he's so close.
Oh man. Okay, let's get away from Popeye. There's the piano, some RC stuff.
It looks, you're right, it does look fun to watch it on
Yeah.
the TV. It's a different experience to
On
watch
the
a
TV,
screen.
you mean
and,
the little? You said TV, but you mean that little?
yeah, TV. With
Okay. Look, I went through
It's a
the buttons
monitor.
there. Okay. Nice.
Da-da,
It's cool because you can't hear the props or anything, can you? I know Popeye's gonna come get me, isn't he?
Yeah, I know.
Especially over the couch.
I know. I don't see him.
Where's he at? Maybe he didn't go upstairs. Let's see if I can.
Nope, he's down here.
Okay.
Popeye, you're slacking. Come here.
Look, I went through the. I like flying around the stairs. That's fun.
Yeah.
Okay, it's dark down there. We won't go down there. Let's go back downstairs. This is fun.
Yeah, it is. It
Oh,
goes
I like
through
it.
the whole
Oh, yeah.
house.
It's awesome.
There's
Can we
Popeye.
go? Oh, yeah, Popeye. Better land on the piano. Oh man.
That's so funny. This is a lot of fun to fly.
Yeah,
It's
it
pretty
is.
docile,
Yeah.
so it makes it pretty easy to fly.
Look, that's everyone.
Now,
That's everyone watching us.
there's no altitude hold, so keep that in mind. But they do make a version with.
Oh
Did you
man,
see
yeah, I
it?
did.
With altitude hold. So.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's so much fun. Oh, there's Popeye. Woo!
This is the best FPV experience we've had
Inside.
inside
Yeah, this is great.
with goggles and stuff. This is a really good one.
Piano. I think I want to go
My
back
only
upstairs.
complaint is that it didn't have a lot of like throttle lift.
There's not a lot of throttle punch
Yeah.
on this, no.
It needs just a little bit more punch.
Yeah. But don't punch me, I'm flying.
Can you fly through the railings?
Oh, I'll try. I don't
Oh,
want to crash.
man.
Okay, I gotta go slow here.
Look at our
Or I
old
could go
person ring.
fast.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, you're
Oh!
right side up.
Oh! I'm up against the wall, so.
Okay.
Okay,
Did you
okay.
lose a prop?
No, it's because I'm up against the wall,
Where
so
are
it's
you?
creating like a
Pocket?
suction. Yeah,
There
we're
you
back in
go.
the air.
You fell all the way down.
Yeah, we did it though. Oh, there's us.
Oh my gosh, I don't like you flying so close.
Oh,
to me.
there's Popeye.
Minor malfunction.
Yeah, our camera stopped filming.
That good old like 12-minute film mark. It always
There's
stops.
little Popeye. Yeah,
That battery's lasting longer.
This is like the aftermarket battery. Yeah. Woo! My big old goggles.
Maybe Pete flew more batteries through the Horizon Hobby.
Probably, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, there's the light.
Umbrella.
Let's go to the end of the hallway like you. Yeah. This is just a blast. Just so much fun. Look at us go.
What was all that stuff on the chair, Nathan?
Oh, it could have been some drone that we're trying to do, but oh no, my battery's getting low. Just gotta wait on good weather to get outside.
It's not flashing yet.
I can just feel it's low, but yeah, this is definitely lasting longer than yours for sure.
Popeye has lost interest. He is.
No, there's the Popeye toy corner. Oh, can I get out of here? Maybe.
Popeye doesn't know where you are. He saw you go up on the couch.
I'm stuck under a Popeye toy. Oh man.
You're flashing.
Oh, there! Save me, buddy! Save me! There we go. Thanks, Popeye. That was awesome.
You are flashing.
Okay, I'm gonna come back. Oh, I'm full throttle. I'm gonna have to land on the logs. Oh, on the logs.
I want to try again. We have one more, don't we?
We do, yeah. That's awesome. Thank you. You saved my quad. Good job.
Good. Right before that, he was laying down under this table. I was like, he doesn't like this one very much.
So my goggles did a great job too, and I think that should speak volumes on like how much you spend and everything.
On accident.
Oh no, I lost the channel.
We'll
get it back. So just so you guys know, you can spend $400 on goggles, or you can spend $60 on goggles and get a very similar experience. So
I think some people would probably tear you to shreds for saying that.
Well, I mean, at least with this, what we just did, I was able to fly and have just as much fun as probably what you did with those.
Why would someone want those? Especially if they're like hobbyists, not like
well, we're learning. We're learning. They're brand new. So I mean, they look cooler. If they're not big giant shoebox on your face.
I do like that.
Okay, that goes on first. Guys, this that came with that little blade Inductrix is awesome. Hey, hold on. I can't even watch.
Aww,
that's okay.
too slow.
You go ahead. Are you at least recording?
Yeah.
There, I got you. Just crystal clear. Look at you. Wow. You're going to crash and I'm going to have to go get it. Oh, you can go.
Where's the dog?
Straight up. Straight up. Straight up. There you go. Nice. I'll have to go get it.
Are you watching me now?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, you just bumped the channel button, so.
Where's that dog?
I think he went upstairs, but I don't. Uh-oh, you're at a corner. Nope.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
I gotta go all the way upstairs.
I was looking for Popeye. You stay upstairs, and I'll fly around you.
Okay.
Oh, I see Popeye. Popeye, help me! He was up there. I saw his ears. What is he doing? Thank you, sir. There's Popeye, and we're off. And there's Popeye barking. That's so funny. Oh, he caught me. He's just standing there. Oh, there's the dog! This is pretty dog friendly. Oh my gosh. Oh no!
Uh-oh, hold on.
Did it get Popeye?
We lost the prop.
Oh, we lost a prop! Popeye, don't eat my props. You look so tall like that. Alright, I'm coming downstairs. Alright. Oh, there's the dog. Going down the stairs to make the turn. Oh no!
You are crazy. No. Yeah.
there.
Keep it in here.
Popeye's so funny.
He was definitely chasing you.
This one just bounces all over things. That's what I like. You just bounce it off the wall.
Yeah, yeah. Please don't crash anymore. I'm tired.
Boom.
Tired of chasing. I'd like to sit and watch.
Leave me alone, Popeye.
Wait. Okay, go. Nice.
What happened?
Abby.
What happened?
You crashed.
Oh no, Popeye. Uh-oh.
He's helping us. There's Popeye Cam for you. That was funny. There he is. Isn't that awesome? Oh no, we lost the prop. Hold on, buddy. Where'd the prop go, Popeye? That's gonna be hard to find. Good job, Popeye. Good job. I think that was the same prop. Clear for takeoff. Oh no. Battery's messed up. Clear for takeoff.
Popeye. You contributed
Tiny bit of
to
throttle.
this.
Okay, you're good. Okay, go.
Alright. Well, really close to myself.
One of your blades on one of your props was slightly bent and it was creating some friction. You did so much better on the first one. I have chased the whole time.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
I've just
keep it in
been
the
being
air.
goofy. Oh, I
You
need
got
that
this.
dog.
Yeah, he wants it. He wants that drone.
Scary.
No!
Oh, Popeye.
He is ready. Okay, alright. I think you're done.
You end the video.
If I have to get you again, you're done.
End the video.
Okay, this is obviously a lot of fun. I don't know why we hesitated so long to get one of these awesome little Inductrix FPVs.
Thanks to Pete for
Here's Popeye got you. Look at that. Thank you, Peter, so much. This is a lot of fun.
No, Popeye!
He got you. He must have got you midair. Look at that. Give it a second.
Just guys, if you fly these around your dogs, he disconnected my battery.
He pulled the battery out.
If you fly these around your dogs, just be careful. Always cut the throttle when you know they're getting it, and just fly responsibly.
That's a lot of fun. Those goggles seem to do really well.
Oh yeah.
And
It's a lot of fun.
I don't know. We'll have everything linked in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. This is awesome. This was cool. Yeah, I'm glad we did this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!